Good morning. It's June 9th. It's a Tuesday, so happy Tuesday. Um, Hopefully this finds you all well. It looks like it's going to be a gorgeous day outside, so please try to get your work done early so you can enjoy the warmer weather this afternoon. So what was the first assignment for this week? The first assignment for this week was another status check. That means that I need to see where you are so far and hopefully provide information for you to be able to make sure your design meets all the specifications and is really as good as it can be. I had about a half a dozen people turn theirs in yesterday, and each and every single one of those needed some sort of repair to it, needed some corrections. So what that means is you should get yours in sooner, meaning today, versus waiting till later in the week to do it. Okay. If you give me the information today, I can give you back feedback, and then you can make corrections to make your design the best possible design that it can be. Okay. At the end of the week, you're going to be sharing your design with me, and I'll provide some more details on how to do that tomorrow because some of you might be done. Okay. Now just keep in mind, think about the flow of your rooms. There's a couple people yesterday. I don't think they followed their plan. Like, I mean, they used a plan as a guide, and they may have deviated a little bit from it. I had some people that didn't have doors into bedrooms or closets. I had other people whose walls were kind of crooked. Most walls meet at a perpendicular or right angle. They would have some walls that were slanted, and they don't look like they were purposely done, like as part of a design feature. It looked more like they didn't quite have control of the tool, or they tried to draw the wall without zooming in. Okay. So these were all things that were mentioned in our early videos about you might have to zoom in to do some of this stuff because doing it from a distance makes it very hard to be accurate. So you have to zoom in and out quite a bit. Okay. So by this time, hopefully your walls are all set, doors are all set, your rooms are all named. That was another thing. Some people turn in assignments and geez, naming the assignment was, or excuse me, naming the room was very, very early in this whole activity. So it kind of tells me that some people are missing things along the way. Now, granted, we're up to 14 videos that I've posted for you to do this assignment, which I know sounds like an awful lot of videos, but I tried to split those up into what you would need to do each week to stay on track. So if you're one of the people that got back the information, you're like, oh, geez, I need to learn how to name these. Look back at those other materials folders from weeks past, and then you'll be able to see those videos. And it's super easy to rename the rooms. It's easy to correct your walls. All this stuff's very easy, but unless you realize that you need to do it, then you won't do it and you'll lose points for it. Okay. So I'll be putting up a rubric sheet for your class probably tomorrow. So you can kind of see what I'm looking for when I'm grading these for your final grade. And then we'll be going on from there. So please, let's try to get these wrapped up by the end of the week so that you can finish the school year on a strong note. Okay? Guys, if you have any questions, reach out. We can always do a quick Google meeting. They're easy to set up, they're easy to do. Sometimes, 5 minutes with me might save you an awful lot of time and aggravation somewhere else. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a great day.